Hey my lovelies, welcome or welcome back to my channel, and this is Halloween time. So guys, as it is Halloween time, so I thought trying some hacks instead of doing some makeups, because everyone thinks that Halloween products and the things we need, the equipments or the products or the material is kind of expensive and it's not easy to get, at least not in this lockdown sort of situation. So like the latex and everything, the fake blood and everything. So I found out some YouTube videos, like if I can find some hacks to do Halloween makeup and get the material. So I found this 5 minutes craft videos. I have been following that channel from quite a long time. Some are relevant, some are irrelevant, some are believable, some are not at all believable. So this thing I found some interesting, and it's like all the products are very easy to get, and all the ingredients are very easy and available in the market and mostly available in the kitchen. So let's just see what we can do with the hacks. So before starting the video, make sure you like my video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already, and please click on the bell icon so you'll be notified all the time whenever I put new video. And there are my links in the description box of my social media, and you can go and follow me over there, so you will be knowing everything about my daily life routine and what would I do, and small reviews I share on my social media accounts on my Instagram. So do follow me over there. I'll pop up my handle over here on the screen as well. So if you're interested to know about the hacks of Halloween, then please keep on watching. So firstly, they have made fake blood, which we're gonna need in this video. So how they had done it, I'll show on the screen. So little bit of honey. I'm not gonna get too much, because if it doesn't work, then I don't want to waste my honey. After that, they add blue food color. So I'm gonna add little bit of blue first. So I have added 1 drop of blue. Let me add red. So this is how it's looking, as in the way they showed in the video. It's not exactly the same, but it is kind of a blood. So I'm impressed, but I would give it 7 or 8 out of 10. Maybe the quality of the colors and everything, because Indian quality, abroad quality is different. They make some different quality products and we make some different quality products. So it's okay, but it works. And let's just try it out. Let's just watch the next hack where we can use the blood. So she's taking a tissue paper and putting it with wet brush, and then school glue. Okay, let's do this. Okay, quickly let me tell you, it is nice quickly. It's not easy hack, okay? So it looks very easy. She kept the tissue, she literally wet the tissue with the water, and then she rolled down her brush, and it was in 2 parts. She separated the tissue paper so easily. It was not that easy. You saw the struggle. And then to put my school glue also, it was a bit of a hassle, but now it is quite pretty much dried. So I somehow managed it. Now she's putting on concealer. So let me just do that. You have to wait until the glue is completely dried, okay? So let's just put it and see her. This looks real, isn't it? I have an old broken sponge, beauty sponge. So I'm using that. I like it. I like this one. Okay, let's move on to the next one. So she uses a glue stick on her forehead. She just kind of lather it up. Then she make a partition. Then she takes brown eyeshadow. And then she takes red eyeshadow. Yeah, I have it. I'm just gonna give quick disclaimer, please wash these brushes and then only use, because glue and everything is on there. Then she puts fake blood again in that. This looks like her. So this is it. I tried these 3 hacks from 5 Minutes Craft and they did pretty much well and it did work out on me. You guys try it at home. Let me know how your Halloween goes in this lockdown. And that's it for this video. I hope you must have liked it. If yes, then please give me a big fat thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comment box how do you feel about this video. All my social media links in the description box. Do not forget to follow me over there. I'll see you next time in my next video. Till then, bye.